Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The aim for today's video is to print Python 5 times using the for loop program. So now let's start with the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So first we are going to write for x in range in brackets 0, 5, and then we'll come outside the bracket and place two dots, then press enter and write print in brackets in inverted commas write Python. Now let's see the output. The output is that the word Python is written 5 times. So guys, in today's video, I have used PyCharm as my new Python compiler. Link is in the description box. You can download it from there. And I have also launched my new Discord server. You can join that too. The link is in the description. I'm also thinking to start gaming, so comment me if you want to see gaming videos. Thanks for watching. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the bank. Legacies.